ಓದಿರೋನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕೆಲಸ, ಓದದೇ ಇರೋನ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸನೇ.
ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಪ್ರಿವ್ಯೂವಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ PNG ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದು ಅಲೈಟ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 2 ಪ್ರಿಸೆಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ 2 ಪ್ರಿಸೆಟ್ನ ಅಲೈಟ್ ಮೋಷನ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ PNGಗಳನ್ನ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give